everybody. Um, for this lesson, week 5, April 14, 15, lesson 1, here is a short video for some strategies for adding. In this lesson, we're going to be playing the game Roll and Record. Um, the materials for this lesson require the use of dice. However, if you don't have any dice, we have included some paper spinners that are included in your packet. So you can go ahead and use those, set those up and use those. If you have a number randomizer, you can also use that. If you have numbers between 0 and 6, feel free to set it up and go ahead and roll twice. A little bit different here from our directions. On this sheet here, it says for number 3, write the sum on the recording sheet. We're not going to do that exactly the way it's worded. We're going to add a little bit of a twist to it to make it a little bit more difficult for you, but not in a bad way. It's going to be fun. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at a recording sheet here. What we're going to do is go ahead and roll. Got a 5 and a 4. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and add these two numbers up. So think about some strategies that you've learned or your favorite way of being able to add these two numbers. Okay, so if I know I have a 5, I can count each and every single one of our little dots, right? We can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's one strategy there. We can count by ones. Another strategy we can do is we can start with our 5 and count on from there. So from 5, we have 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so another total of 9. And another way if we could think about these numbers is I know that I'm really good at counting by 5s, and I know that 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. But I also know that 4 is 1 less than 5. So if I were to add together 5 and 4, that would be 1 less than 10, which is 9. Okay, so above our box where it says 9, we're going to go ahead and put something there. We're going to put our number sentence. So we know that 5 plus 4 equals 9. So what we're going to do is continue rolling our dice twice each, and well, both of our dice, or spin our spinner 2 times, and keep track of the numbers that we're working with here, right? Okay, let's move on to our next example. My first roll is a 3, and then a 6. Okay, so just like we did in our last example, we're going to go ahead and add them up. So I could start with my 3, but what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to start with my 6 as far as the way I'm thinking about this. Because if I start with my larger number, it gives me less to count on from, right? So if I start with my 6, let's count on from there. 7, 8, 9. Oh, okay. So my sum is once again 9. Let's go ahead and put our number sentence in the box above the 9. Okay, so 3 plus 6 equals 9. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to continue to do this and try to fill up your whole chart. Think about all the different ways and all the different combinations that you can add to get to your different sums. When you're done playing Roll and Record, here are some other activities that can also be found in your packet. The Unit 6 Math Journal, additional story problems that are actually found online at Greg Tang's math website, no relation. You can play the Addition War game. And back in the packet, you have Activity E right there. All right, boys and girls, have fun.